Germany, where we have these new entrants now for more than 10 years, I have never heard that there is a significant difference in terms of safety performance between the Deutsche Bahn, the incumbent company, and the new companies who came in the market. But I'm always ready to learn. If there's empirical evidence that there is something not really working as it should work, then of course we have to do something about it. And then you will see, for the reasons which the chairman, I think, said, we will be the first one, I think, really to look into that, because if the public opinion would get the feeling that safety in the railway sector is not anymore really given, I think then we really would have a problem. So in this respect, I think I can only subscribe 100%, I think, to the priority you have given to this question. The other point, I think, which was raised is, I think here, sorry if I don't know every name, but I think the first colleague who intervened here, I think that is a misinterpretation. I don't think, and again, I think I can say I know what I'm talking about. I don't believe that reducing of costs, is simply the strategy which can solve our problems. That would be simply wrong. If you go to our customers, the customers are telling you, in the first place, I think, we are interested in getting a good service, a good product, And of course, there is a relation between the quality you can deliver and the cost, the price the customer is ready to pay. There is a relation between the two. And maybe a mistake in the older days, let's say, of the railway sector was that we did not always pay maybe enough attention to the necessary quality, I think, of our product the customer expected. So we all have learned that in the meantime. And again, it is not my